Good morning, students of class 7. This is the time of mathematics class. Today we will discuss here exercise 16 from question number 4. Yesterday we have learned up to question number 3. So let's start from question number 4. In question number 4, you can see here that in figure 2, this is the figure. This figure is telling AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Okay. And AD also is given parallel to BC. Now question tells that is AB equal to DC? Give reason in support of your answer. Okay. So this question now I am going to discuss. Here ABCD. You can see here this is a quadrilaterals, not telling that parallelogram, where AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. Students, first of all you have to draw the figure in your copy. Clear? First of all you have to draw the figure in your copy. After you write proof. Then you write that here AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. So from triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Now I am going to show how you will do this. Okay. So first of all I am going to show this. This is the figure. You have to draw first. Okay. And give name ABCD. Okay. For proof, you have to write as from triangle ABC and triangle ADC. From these two triangles you have to make congruence. So you write AD is equal to BC. This is already given. You write given. Okay. So you know it's very well that for congruence you have to show at least 3 conditions. So one condition fulfilled. Now students, here given that AD also parallel to BC. So in this quadrilateral AD is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. Okay, you know AC is the transversal. So will not this angle is equal to this angle. This is alternate in triangles. So you write angle DAC equal to angle ACB. Angle DAC, angle DAC equal to angle ACB. Why these two angles are equal? because both are alternate ALT dot interior interior dot angles ANG. Okay, short form. So one more thing you have to be prove. Students, you can see here that in these two triangles here AC is common of both these triangles. So you write AC is common. So three conditions fulfill here. You can see here AD is equal to BC, that is given. Angle DAC equal to angle ACB is alternate interior angle, and AC is common. So you can say that these two triangles are congruent. So therefore you write triangle ABC is congruent ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, by which criteria? This is side angle side SAS criteria. Okay, so therefore you can write, so since these two triangles are congruent, so therefore you can write AB equal to DC, AB equal to DC by CPCT CPCT means corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Okay, so in this way you have to be solved here question number 4. Hope that everybody understood the theorem well. Now come to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 here tells that in the adjoining figure, in question number 5 it tells in the adjoining figure AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to DC. Prove that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC, and hence you have to show that angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree and angle BAD equal to angle CAD. So very simple. First of all you have to be write the statement, then draw the figure, then just write proof. क्या करना है? प्रूव करना है. ठीक है. So look at, you write as same as question number 4. From triangle ABD and from triangle ADC, you write AB is equal to AC. This is given. You write right hand side. Next you write BD equal to DC. Also write given. And number 3, you write AD is common. Look at AD. This line segment is common for both the triangles. So 3 conditions here fulfilled. So you write therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC by SSS congruence criteria, because here 3 sides are equal. So complete one proof. Next one you write, since for question number 1, you write since triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC, so you write angle ADB will be equal to angle ADC. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. But angle ADB plus angle ADC, this equal to 180 degree. So angle ADB will be equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree. First one proof. For the case of second one, you write since triangle ABD and triangle ADC both are congruent, so therefore angle BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCT. Okay. Next, question number 6. In the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle. You can see here ABC is a triangle in which AD is the bisector of angle A. If AD is perpendicular to BC, so that triangle ABC is a isosceles. So आपको ABC को isosceles प्रूव करना है. तो कैसे प्रूव करोगे? Very simple. First of all, you have to find out the congruence of ABD and ADC. Okay. ABD and ADC को क्या करना है? Congruence दिखाना है. ABD triangle ABD and triangle ADC. These two triangles को क्या करना है? Congruence दिखाना है. Congruence. So first you have to draw the figure. After drawing the figure, then you have to write the proof. You write from triangle ABD and triangle ADC. From triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Here given, you get angle ADB equal to angle ADC. Angle ABD equal to angle ADC. Why? Because AD is the perpendicular to BC. You have to write the reason also on the right hand side. Okay. Next, you write angle BAD equal to angle CAD. Angle BAD मतलब this angle equal to this angle. Okay. Write the reason, because AD is the bisector of angle A. So to complete, and number third, you write AD is the common line segment, the both triangles. So three conditions fulfill. So therefore you write, therefore you have to write that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC by AAS criteria, angle side. Then very simple, you have to write AB equal to AC by CPCT. So then ABC triangles, here AB equal to AC, so therefore ABC is a isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles, we know that any two sides are equal. Okay. So in this way you have to be solved. Here question number 6. Students, also you have to be solved question number 7. In question number 7, it tells that in the adjoining figure, AB is equal to AD, given CB equal to CD, given prove that ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Very simple. First you have to draw the figure. After drawing the figure, just then write proof. Then you have to write from triangle ABC and triangle ADC. From triangle ABC मतलब ABC का मतलब ये वाला, ठीक है, and triangle ADC का मतलब है ये वाला, ठीक है. From triangle ABC and triangle ADC, you write AD is equal to AB. That is given. You must write in the right hand side given. Number second, DC equal to CB. This is also given, and AC is common. So three conditions fulfill. So therefore you will write triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC by SSS criteria. Don't be forget to write the criteria. Okay. So in this way, here 4 questions you have to be solved. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope that everybody understood today's topic. So that's all for today. Thank you.